I'm so awesome. I'm gonna do the strap through the bolt thing with Bobber.
Okay.
Ow.
Keep your tongue in your mouth.
I can't. Less fun that way. Quit.